I have been lying to you all, man. And I have been lying to you all, and I apologize. But what I mean is in the sense of, think it, believe it, and live to achieve it. I have not been thinking it, believing it, and living to achieve it with the vlog channel. I don't know what's going on with me. Why is this man driving on the South Shoulder? Yes, man, I've been neglecting the vlog channel. It's not purposefully though. It's one of the main reasons why vlogs not drop that often is because I don't believe in a posting just for posting's sake and just putting out content just because it will get your money and them something. I don't believe in that. And sometimes I think about it. Maybe we need to go that road and just think say, oh, money. But when you think money, you kind of just lose yourself. I don't really want to think like that. I want to make sure say whatever I put out is something that I am proud of and people, they enjoy it. I don't want to just dash out content for no apparent reason and the only motivation behind it have to make money. You don't want to do that. But the thing why the vlog channel don't get as much attention is because I barely left me out. I barely gone away. And worse like how in a COVID time, COVID really teach me a lesson. Say, oh, you need to kind of go places more. And sometimes I do things, but then I don't vlog it because, you just want to get the experience and enjoy the experience in the rice farm, So that's why I'm not seeing no vlogs sometimes. I'm not going away, or when I do go, I'm not bother vlogging just for the sake of enjoying the experience. But I try and change up that feeling, man. Yesterday, I give myself a little goal, so I need to make a vlog for today. And it just so happened that I go up on the road, I get some food. So I say, yo, let me just talk to you. And I think sometimes we can put out vlog too, because more while you have things for your chest, so you need to get off. And sometimes I get asked certain questions that I have an extensive and extended opinion on that a 1 minute video can't hold. So it would have make sense, to put you on the vlog channel, not true? I think that's what I'm going to start to do. So even if it's not a vlog where I'm gone somewhere, maybe I take a little drive, then I definitely can just have what is going on? I can just have the camera rolling and me talk like how I do it now. You understand? And I'm sure some of the way enjoy them thing like just for hear me talk. I'm probably not even watching laptop screen right now, I'm focus on something else. But my voice, laptop or TV, see, I just be a laptop when I watch, But then I focus on something else. I know that I love to have a Kevin Do Crazy vlog. I play that background while I'm not doing the little thing. Maybe I cook and I prep over and say, what Kevin I talk about? And I listen while I cook and them thing there, do your little school work. You just chill on your phone, you browse through Instagram, see where I browse Kevin Do Crazy page. I have a plugin page, isn't it? And you just want to have a vlog I play in the background. For here when I think about certain things, if it's not one of them vlogs that when I do something, So I think I can start with that. And one of the things about me going out to is that it costs money. Now if the vlog channel was up and running like that, where it was generating enough income, then it would have just pay for itself for me go. That car look nice. Pay for itself for me go places and do things for the sake of entertainment. But you have to start somewhere. So in order for the vlog channel reach a level there, me have to kind of start put content on it, and then it will reach a point now where it will start paying for itself. You see me? A whole heap of things go on where I don't even know about. I don't know if someone will probably notice. Well, you wouldn't notice because I post no vlog, but I move from Kingston. I live at Kingston again. But you just need somewhere more quiet to chill and relax. And have a less noisy background, less polluted place. You know? But they moved there initially. What am I saying? They did move there initially for the opportunities. And I got some great opportunities. And one, we never have a car at the time, so people why not sit there? I don't know if it's that. Try wind up that glass here, man. I mean, alone hate when people just, they're close behind me for some reason. Like, why are you so close on my bumper? Get off me, son! You're making me nervous, man. If you want to overtake, do it. I'll try one up that glass here. Alright, good. So, I say, they moved there initially. Initially for the opportunities that were coming my way, so that I would have closer for me, you know, do all the promos and all of them good thing there. But I have a vehicle now, so if them thing they come, I can move around, you know, if necessary. So that was one of the reasons. And then they did too polluted and all them thing there. And when we did live, remember I always complain about the bike noise right at my gate and them thing. But yeah, couldn't bother with that. So move. So that's a new thing that I probably could have vlogged. But you see, I'm not one of those. My kind of program different in how we operate with YouTube, and it's not everything we want to show people, you see me? Some YouTubers do it and it's good for them and they're alright. But not everything we really want to show people, like say, oh, move good this or move good that. We have to be mindful of certain things, because as much as I have fans watching what I'm doing, you also will have people who are unscrupulous possibly watching what you're doing. And even if unscrupulous people are pre-way, your fans might say, yo, you know, this is getting too crazy. So for example, we buy a new TV and show it afterward, you know. A fan might say something to somebody who they think is a fan now. What's, yo, it's getting too crazy, buy one new TV and the TV big 100-inch and them something there. That might prompt in somebody else's mind, say, oh, the boy getting too crazy, have money. Make us see him and them thing there and try something stupid, you know. So them little things I'm mindful of when me post, because me now try invite certain type of energy in my life. And while I know say them thing there, the fans them love to see them thing they say I elevate, I go up in a life. I'm not gonna lie, every once in a while if some of them side they come on my way and you know, more show and they say, yeah man, this I want to help contribute to, you know, you watching these videos and is helping me elevate in life. Then I go show you certain little things, but I know all the while, you know, I go push them type of energy there. Like all today now, watch it. We just talk to the camera and I go on down. I go for my little journey, I get some KFC I go buy still, because you know, a good while now I don't eat none. So I cap some KFC and then walk on my yard. And based on the time I cap lunch and dinner in a one go. Back home, you know? So I just them little vibe there, and back to what I say about the vlogs. When it reach a level now where the vlog channel is taking care of itself, then you can just use the proceeds from this of it, go do some little adventure and them things. Because Jamaica full of places we go, you know. Even if I know overseas we are going, Jamaica full of places we go. I'm sure someone will die if you see some of these places. Some of these places you do not even know about. And I will expose them to you and they'll be like, yo, this is this part Kevin do crazy vlogs, so that's why I'm come here so and them thing there. I don't know if them it happen already when to see like I go certain places and when I say, oh, I choose Kevin do crazy this there, so that's why I go. I'm showing a couple of hotel trips and them thing, you know. Take time, you know, guys. my vehicle is, you know. I borrow good, so I have to take me a little time. I'm pressing on it like with big foot and thing, and then you know the thing now. But yeah man, I'm gonna try vlog phone more often. I not even want to vlog a bit too long. But definitely I'm gonna try and put in the work. Wait. Bro, me hear when people do them, the light just change. Alright, watch me out. I have to go overtake. The light just change and yeah, so even if I know somewhere I go, I'm gonna make sure I say I put out a vlog for you. So what I want to do right now, if you see that vlog here, if nobody live over here, I have to tell them the truth, you know. Last time I said that on the exercise. Did I say it? I think I did. Maybe I'm not putting it, maybe I don't know. But yeah, I don't know if nobody left. So if you see this, just hit the like button. So I know if I put out vlogs as regular as possible. Yeah man, they have to go over there, man. Go on your ways, man. Even if I'm not going nowhere. Because sometimes them are going to be just me driving and talking. And if you don't mind them type of vlog there, it probably won't be me driving all the time. But sometimes just some talking vlogs. I'm just talk to you for a little bit, you know. And voice my opinion on certain things. I will move on, you know. So if you don't mind them things there, hit the like button. But still have to get regular vlogs in it, but hit the like button. And yeah. So I know say everything jiggy. Drop a comment. Maybe pump back some life in a vlog channel. Because I look for something to do other than the entertainment aspect, you know. Just want to have someone to just chill, put out just some regular content. Nothing when not necessarily have to be entertainment. Just some chill little thing, you know? Yeah. So just do something on the like button if you know so una there. Big up all the people them will never left. You know, so YouTube kinda weird, so and everybody are gonna see the notification and some people dormant, so we have to go box down the like button wicked so that people know say vibes over here so and well, I don't know if I vibes, but you understand what I say? You understand what I say, no? Yeah. I wanna I'm a passenger and I wanna roll with me today. That's why I'm putting the right there saying a passenger headrest thing, you know, that I tripod for today. I have something we can put it on so you know, follow me and swing. But then it take too much. It's easy. For a different occasion we roll out that. Probably I chat too much, you know, I'm so reach my destination. So big up on yourself to tune in on the vlog and remember, like button and them things that some know. Tune in. Yeah? Alright, take care of yourself. Yeah, a little bit.